For this process, you will need the following tools: pliers and nylon cleaning filament. One of the most important tasks of printer maintenance is regularly cleaning the hot ends, especially when changing material. First, start the hot end cleaning assistant. Select the hot end that you wish to clean and press continue to unload the filament. Once it's unloaded, disconnect the Bowden tube. To do this, start by removing the coupling clip. Then, while pressing down on the fast connector, slightly press in the Bowden tube and then pull it. Insert the nylon cleaning filament and press down until you see it coming out clean through the nozzle. Press continue and keep slowly applying pressure as the screen indicates. You will notice that it will get harder to extrude the filament as the hot end continues to cool down. Press continue and wait until the hot end cools down completely. Then, using the pliers provided in the toolkit, carefully remove the filament by turning the pliers to avoid putting too much force on the printhead. Repeat the process until the end of the filament comes out clean. Once you've finished, reinstall the Bowden tube and coupling clip.